How to develop your marketing strategy. The ultimate goal of any marketing strategy is to help you grow your business by capturing the maximum mind share at lower cost. The anatomy of a great marketing strategy will include the following: a clear definition of your competitive advantage on how you fare against your competition and constructing your unique selling position or USP. You need to create an FAB analysis, which are your product's features, advantages, and benefits. Then you need to define your target market, which includes both demographic and psychographic profiling of your ideal customers, their hot buttons on why they need to buy from you. This will lead to how you want to position your products and services and several means of attracting customers to your offerings. You need to prepare your marketing collateral, both printed and digital materials and contents aiming at attracting your ideal customers with the most effective, persuasive messages. Next, you need to know the medium of your marketing. Identify from different marketing methods to reach out to your potential prospects like advertising, digital marketing, direct marketing, public relations, etc. Depending on your target audience, you will need to pick the best marketing methods to explain, teach, and promote how your product or service stands out above other competitors. Strategically, you must know your customer's acquisition cost and customer lifetime value, and based on that, you can also budget your marketing spending. Your marketing plan. The written description of your market strategy should also stress on the following points. Detail specific activities you intend to undertake. Identify the targeted audience for each market reach activity. Specify how you're going to measure success. Be flexible enough to allow adjustments as necessary. Stipulate who on your team is responsible for each activity. In order for a marketing strategy to be successful, it must be multifaceted, realistic, and implemented consistently over time. Revisit your marketing plan at least once every quarter. Track your progress and evolve your tactics. Make sure you have defined metrics for measuring success and have assigned individual team members to be accountable for solving each issue. Set up regular meetings to review progress, identify and solve issues, and align activities across teams. Learn from your mistakes and victories, and evolve your tactics as needed to maintain your traction. If you have any additional suggestions or tools, please feel free to share in comments or write to us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe.